Welcome back to the OK Carpenter channel, everybody. We got some exciting things to do today, and let's get the motor set back in this frame. It's taken me a little bit longer to get to this point than I would have liked due to small things I've been working on frame-wise that no one's ever going to see, like going through and fixing a good bit of the welds on the frame itself, that back arch, getting it fully welded out because there was gaps in it, whole shebang. Motor mounts, I got them laid out, leveled in and everything with the motor. If y'all remember from the comparison video, these motor mounts were all the way up, and that put me a good 2 inches in between the oil pan and the center frame here. Well, I cut them off, got them rewelded, and when I had the motor on it to make sure I was putting these things in the right location, it was maybe a finger width now above the cross member, which is perfect. I couldn't ask for more than that. Now, when I did that, the part of the motor mount that bolts to this was in the middle. So if I want to lower the motor a little bit more, I believe I have some wiggle room to do that down the road. But when I first put the sucker in there, that's how it's going to stay, with the option of lowering it later. I'm excited. Let's do it. So this is the piece I worked on today, getting cut out and replaced. See if I can get a better angle. That way the exhaust can just come straight out. And I had to do the same thing on the driver's side as well. Just notched a little piece right here. I cut these springs. Watch this suspension sink. That's the gap I have now. I'm way happier with that. And like I said earlier, the motor mounts are dead in the middle, so I can loosen them bolts and let it slide down some, but I don't think I'm gonna roll with it. So I just went and measured my drive shaft. Now, when I had the S10 with the 4-cylinder in it, I had to get the drive shaft shortened. I mean, you know, it's factory drive shaft. I put this 8.5 rear end in it, and that was the first time I got it shortened. Then I put the V8 in it, second time I got it shortened. This is gonna be the third time I've gotten this same drive shaft shortened, y'all. Now it's currently roughly 55 inches from there to where it sits right at this seal. Oh yeah. We cutting a lot off this time. You man. So just to the lip of the seal is 46 and a half. Now that 55 is, you know, right here where it sits at on this seal and rubs and moves back and forth. That's dead center of the wear pattern. It's 55. So that's 11 inches off. That tells you right there how much shorter this wheelbase is compared to the pickup truck. Supposed to only be 7, y'all. What in the world? Now it got me curious. Was my math wrong? So it's 100 inches from bottom ball joint to center of rear axle. I wonder what it is on the pickup truck. It shouldn't be that big a difference. We're gonna go find out. I'm about to crawl up underneath there. Oh shit. How do I get my head in here? I about messed up. But it's 108.5, so. So if it's only 8 inches shorter, why in the world I gotta short the drive shaft so much?